Ready for some Dutch oven magic? You're gonna wanna watch this one.
Hi, welcome to Cobbler & Coles. I'm your host, Mr. Tim, and today we're making pizza. First thing first, you don't have to use made from scratch pizza dough. I'm just using this as an example. Many stores, I'm sure there's one in your area, has a already made pizza dough that is ready to go. You're more than welcome to use those. I use this one because I know for a fact that my son likes it and this was his requested dish. So we're gonna start with, we're just gonna jump right into it. First thing first, got a little bit of flour here. You wanna dust your work area with a little bit of flour. And you wanna take your pizza dough out of whatever vessel you have it in. In this case, I have it in a zip top bag. And you just want to put it down on your floured surface. Now, I don't know if you're aware, but if you make homemade dough, it gets all these nice little bubbles inside it, and that makes for an amazing crust. If you go to use a rolling pin on this, all those bubbles get pushed out to the edge and you no longer have that crispy, awesome crust. So one of the first tips that I'm going to give you is called par baking. Par baking means you start the process just by itself. It is called a blind bake, where nothing else is in the Dutch oven but the dough. And you just do that for about 6 to 8 minutes. What this does is it gives the dough a chance to get started on cooking. And I already have parchment paper in the Dutch oven. This is just to help you pull the pizza out at the end. Got these awesome little handles. And now that I have the dough in the Dutch oven, we're gonna get this on some coals. Hey Google, record a video. And now that the crust is par baked, we add our toppings. Today I'm going with the basic pepperoni. We've got the cheese. Now we get the pepperoni. And with the lid back on, another 8 to 15 minutes, depending on your doneness level. And you have a melty, cheesy, great pepperoni pizza. I don't know if you can tell from where you're sitting, but this looks amazing. All right, check underneath. Oh yeah, lightly browned.
Look at that perfect golden brown crust on the bottom. Cooked evenly with our heat management formula. It's crispy on the outside, loaded with melted cheese, and packed with flavor straight from the Dutch oven.
Woo, that's a little hot. There we go. There you have it. Dutch oven pizza, made from scratch. While you're camping, simple, easy, great lunch. Sure to please anybody, especially if they've been out doing all kinds of scout-related activities during the day. Easy to do. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite and hope that I don't burn my mouth. Yes, it's hot. Hopefully you heard. It's crunchy on the bottom, not burnt. It is amazing. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you around the next campfire. I'm digging in.
If you haven't already, Like and subscribe so you can continue to see videos like this.